Hi there, it's Tim from Tim's Electric, shameless self-promotion. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a UScooter. Now, I've never actually had a UScooter. I'd just say thank you very much to UScooters for sending me up a unit. I'm going to get the camera to come down here and show you guys as I open it all up. Now, it has been snowing like crazy for the last couple of days, so sadly I won't be able to take this out today. But what I have here is a UScooter GT and box inside a box. Oh, it weighs quite a bit. Awesome. Alrighty, so that's a nice box. Cool. Very nice. So what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to put up on the screen some of the specifications that UScooters have. Hopefully you can see inside. I'm going to lift this all out. All packaged nicely with styrofoam. Oops. Oh, this is really nicely packaged. Nice bit of styrofoam and a box. And a user manual, always nice to have. All wrapped up nicely in plastic. One of the things I'm noticing right off the bat is it's quite light. You know, I'm comparing this to my 09 when I unboxed that, and sorry, I didn't unbox that, but I've unboxed other 09s. And yeah, this is a lot lighter. So a silica pack, big plastic bag, and inside here we have charger. So I think what I'm going to do is set this up and see how this gets put. How you do this? Oh, so there's a clip at the front here. And then you just push the mud guard down. That's kind of nice. And then this comes up. Oh, it's snapped into place. Is there a kickstand? There's a kickstand on my side. So I'm gonna just flip that around. Kickstand at the front. And this is looking like a really nice little scooter. I like the clip up here. I'm gonna invite Melissa to come really close now with the camera. I'll show you a few things. Alrighty, and down here, this feels really nice. This is a nice rubber on here. Mechanism for locking and unlocking is right here. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's really nice. Let's go pull this out of the way. So you could just step on that, but I can just do it with my fingers. That's not a problem. I say it as soon as I try that. Oh, that's really nice. And I'm just gonna get the camera to come on this end. And there's a locking mechanism at the top here that actually locks right in. So for carrying, this is gonna make it real easy. And look at this. Over here, there's a strap, a little handle. So you can just lift it right up, no problem. I'm liking this a lot. Tires are solid. So they're not air-filled. So there is a suspension at the front here that I can see. Let's get this thing set right up into the air. And I'll get the camera lady to back right up. Alrighty, so hopefully you can see this. Oh wow, it popped right into place. Well, that is nice. And then how do you undo that? Well, let's figure that out afterwards. Really nice. So it's, in fact, it's ready to boogie. So what I'll do is I'll rotate this so you guys can see. I'll get the camera to come around. Looks like we've got a power on button here. Oh, with a light. And very clear display showing 50%. Trip, odometer. That's what that is. This one is, I'm gonna say the light. On, bright. That's really loud. And what's this? That's the horn. So it's got a horn, a nice light. So yeah, I think that's gonna work out really well. Brake. And nice. Okay. Oh, and up here I can adjust the stem height as well. Alrighty, so I think I'm locked and loaded. So I'm delighted with this. It seems to be really light. Seems to be really well made. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a full review of the UScooter in the coming days once the snow stopped. Let me know down below what you'd like me to look for in particular with this scooter. I sort of imagine this type of scooter to be really good for that last mile solution. So already it seems to be ticking the boxes. I'm going to take it out for a full review in the next video. But thanks very much for watching. If you haven't liked the video, please do head and like it. That really helps the channel out. If you haven't subscribed, that'd be great if you could subscribe as well. And of course, any comments you leave down below, I reply to every single comment. So please do go right ahead and leave a comment down below. Thanks very much for watching. And thank you to UScooters for sending me up a scooter for review. I do a lot of reviews and a lot of scooters. And I think this year is going to be a particularly bountiful year of reviews. So I'm looking forward to trying this thing out. Check it out in the next video. Oh, and one last thing. UScooters has kindly offered a coupon code that Canadian customers can put in at the checkout for $60 off. They also include shipping and duties to help us Canucks. Thanks for watching.